Does Japan's 8-month of oil reserves affect the unwind? Does this buy them time not to raise interest rates? Well, that's a good question, and apparently so, because we saw, the reaction in the market, and then we've seen this big move back down, over 5,000 yen in a very short period of time. They're hanging out around 13,000 yen per barrel, a little bit over that. But again, like I said before, that's the level at which I thought they were going to have to start acting. Because that's a pretty significant amount of inflation that's happened in their economy in a very short period of time. I mean, they were up, 20%, 25% in energy costs, and that's exactly what I thought would, cause them to have to move. So we'll see how long that takes to permeate their economy and actually cause the inflation. And again, things are a little bit slower moving, right? It's not an instant deal. There will be costs that continue to creep up. You've already started to see that here at the gas pump in the US, but it's not at the peak of what it's going to be because the oil that's being pumped out of the ground now has to be shipped, has to go through, manufacturing, all of that stuff. And what's currently on the market will hit the market at higher prices when that happens. So that could be a couple weeks, it could be a month, it could be days. I don't know how long the Bank of Japan is going to hold out before they raise interest rates, but I do believe if the oil price continues to stay here and doesn't continue to drop or starts to reverse and go higher again because conflict escalates in the Middle East, there you go. It wouldn't take much at all. So I'm continuing to watch that. With South Korea looking like they're going to invoke some monetary action, and China also down 5% in their stock market this morning, feels like Japan is probably next on the hit list there for countries in Southeast Asia that are going to have to take action when their markets go haywire. So we'll continue to watch. The charts that I'm watching are the 10-year yield in Japan. It's currently hanging out of